Well, Craig, what did you make of that?
Mixed. First half, I didn't like us. That's not how we want to play. Not committing. You know, they're going to sit in a deep block. We know that. But we have to commit. If you don't come to us, we'll go to you. And we didn't. We were too busy passing it sideways, and then back, then sideways. And that's not how we play. And then second balls, duels, we didn't come out with any. And that's not us either. If there's one thing you can say negative or bad with how we're good at that, we do that well. And we didn't do that, especially first half. So it was the first time I've really been annoyed going in half-time and spoke to him. And I don't like doing that, and I've never had to do that. But to be fair to him, second half, then they started committing, started then looking to break lines, up the tempo. And then it was a lot better performance.
You said before the game there were players that you needed to see. You said you can never waste a game. There's always stuff to learn. So what did you learn tonight? Yeah,
that one or two need more. Just by being side on, by being timing and all that. But they're going to be good players, without a shadow of a doubt. You know, we were able to bring another good player on like Dylan, and we seen just the instant straight away. It was broke the line, bang. And then suddenly, because what you want to do is, if we lose it, we lose essential one in numbers. Now, we were losing it in areas because it was so easy for them to just shuffle and shuffle. When we try and force it in those areas, then we're vulnerable because we haven't got the numbers to counter-press. So one or two players then just grabbed the game. It still needs to be better, but it was a lot better than what it was first half.
Looking ahead, Craig, we all know what's to come for this team. How do you feel they are in a place now, looking at the next couple of years, because you've said time and time again that there is an exciting period ahead, despite everything that's happened this week?
There's an exciting group of players. I have to be. Welsh football's good. I'm beyond positive for that. I see hopefully they will able to stay in the Nations League, because that's got a better chance of giving you number one seed. And I see the Euros. This team will be in the Euros. And I see a team being ready for that Euros then as well. That a team with intensity, that opening game. I would be really excited looking from afar of what this team's going to be capable of doing in that moment.
Looking from afar, and I guess there will be people wondering what's next for Craig Bellamy. Will we? I know that's a big question.
Yeah, a break. Have a couple of weeks of break. I'm drained, emotionally drained. So I've loved this week, I really have, but I'm emotionally, this took a lot out of me. It took a lot out of me, and because it was an objective and it was a huge passion for me. Like, I wanted this so bad, and the players did as well, and I found it difficult. It was heartbreak. Do you know when a girl's broke your heart?
A boy, yeah.
A boy, yeah. And do you know when you feel, I'm not sure I want to go through that again. Do you understand what I mean? But you do. We all fall for it. But yeah, it was really hard. It was really hard. So I need a couple of weeks for me to be able to, to see what I can do to get better.